Here we go. Ready? Oh, who's better than me? Yeah. Yeah, the initial realization. Definitely. I bet whoever watches is going to feel so much better about themselves after they watch me. Right now I know Dave's watching. Ta-da! Nice, huh? See, nice and straight. It's straight for the most part, you know? I mean, you guys didn't see me hack the out of that with a f***ing router. So, you know, whatever. It is what it is. But, you know what? It's never gonna, you're never ever gonna see this shit. But anyways, after you remove all the material, you clean it up, you get all the glue off, you know, just whatever. You clean it up the best you can. You take another piece of this, you know, highly desirable stock, because I don't have a whole bunch of it. And this is my second one of these too, Dave. I'm really having a bad day today. I've messed up one of the other ones. Alright, so you set the new doubler in place, right? Here's my line. Here's the reference line on the side of the case for the pattern. Alright? So, here we go again, buddy. It's like deja vu. Trace my pattern onto the doubler. Alright. Flip it over. Line up the center. Do the same thing on the other side, Dave. Trey. Buds, whoever's listening, George, anybody out there? What a bogus mistake, guys. It really made me sick. So, I just gotta go along and do this. And that's that. Now, cut this pattern out on the bandsaw, flush cut it, and it's basically the same process that you saw me do earlier. It's like 7 o'clock at night. What do you think, huh? Sweet, right? So here's the new one, Dave. So that's it, man. I still have to, like, I gotta glue it down. And the only place you're gonna see it is right here. You see that little, like, thing right there? It's not even a big deal. And a couple of screw holes. And that's it. So, I'm tired, man. Stressed out. Let's see if I can even see myself here. Alright, so that's how you fix a major mistake. The hardest part for me is not like picking this thing up and throwing it through the friggin' window, because I get very angry and I just want to like have the worst temper tantrum in the friggin' world. But this piece, I'm into it for a lot of money already, and a lot of time and a lot of energy, and if I was just a child about it and jumped up and down, I'd never get anywhere. So I had to learn that lesson. I'm like 41 this year, so at least I'm learning. And it's getting there, believe it or not. That's the way it goes, Dave. Sometimes you make mistakes.